In nature's grand design, animals are divided into many groups, but two of the most important are herbivores, the plant eaters, and carnivores, the meat eaters. Today, we'll explore how they live, how they survive, and why the balance between them is so important for our planet. Herbivores are animals that feed only on plants. Their diet includes leaves, grass, seeds, and fruits. They have flat, strong teeth designed to chew tough vegetation. Carnivores are animals that survive by eating other animals. They are built for the hunt, with sharp teeth, strong jaws, and claws for catching and tearing meat. Herbivores control plant growth, preventing forests and grasslands from becoming overgrown. Carnivores control herbivore populations, ensuring no single species dominates the ecosystem. Herbivores are designed for defense, sharp senses, fast running, and living in herds to watch for danger. Carnivores are designed for attack, strength, stealth, and teamwork. When humans overhunt or destroy habitats, this natural balance is broken. Protecting both herbivores and carnivores is essential for the health of the planet. Herbivores and carnivores, two sides of the same natural coin. Both are vital for life on Earth, and it's our responsibility to ensure this balance continues for generations to come.